1. Crimping pliers. 2. UTP cable. 3. RG connector. 4. line tester. 5. Cable stripper.
1. Trim the cable into a square shape. 2. Remove 2 cm of the cable shading. 3. Separate and categorize the 4 parts of inner conductor. 4. Organize the cable in accordance with the per-minute color sequence. 5. Trim the cable into a square shape. 6. Insert the cable into the RJ45 connector. 7. Utilize a crimping tool to simultaneously press the connector and cables together. Conduct a test using a line tester to evaluate the cable fluidity and quality.